Hey guys! If you want to learn how to use Bing AI Image Generator, this video is for you. This is the best free image generator. It's powered by DALL-E 3, which is the best AI for this at the moment. With this AI, you will be able to make money with a lot of methods I will be uploading in the future. First of all, we need to go into bing.com/images/create. Now that we are here, we can see some examples and explore ideas of what we could generate. This is the prompt introduced to generate this image. In my case, I will just click the Surprise Me button, so the AI will automatically generate a random prompt. This is the idea it gave me. Let's create digital art of a robot made of stereo equipment. Just click the Create button and wait a few seconds. Right here you have tokens, you get them for free by signing up, and those are useful to get faster generations. I think you can get new ones every day. Now the AI automatically generated 4 images. Just see how good they look. You can customize them with Microsoft Design or download them with the best quality possible. Now I will show you another example. This AI is not only for digital arts, drawings, cartoons, or similar, it can also generate realistic photos. The images generated with this AI do not exist and are completely unique. You won't get the exact same image twice. In this case, I will generate a realistic photo of a monkey surfing while eating a banana. That's it. Just see how good they look. No one could know it's AI generated. They look exactly like a professional photo. You can see all your generated images at this creation sections right behind the prompt field. This will allow you to see any image you've generated in the past and download it. I hope this was useful for you. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.